Welcome back. Drawing a red box around text in Microsoft Word is a great way to highlight important information. So this method wraps a perfectly box tight around your text and entire paragraph without messing up your document's layout. So first you need to select the text or paragraph you want to put a box around, and then click on the Home tab on the top ribbon, and in the paragraph group you need to click the small arrow next to the Borders button, and now select the Borders and Shading at the bottom of the drop down menu. So under the setting, click on the box, and in the style you need to select the line style. I'll select this one. Click on this color arrow and select the red color, and in the width you need to select the width, for example this one, and on the right side under apply to choose the paragraph and click OK to proceed. If you want to remove that, for this you need to again go to the home, click on the border icon, click on the borders and shading, and now this time select none and click OK, and it will be removed instantly. So this way you can easily put a border around text in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.